Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Tide Pods is probably one of the most revolutionary laundry innovations of our time, transforming the chore from a messy, imprecise task into a simple, single-step process that delivers powerful cleaning performance and fresh scents with unparalleled convenience, making laundry day less of a burden and more of a breeze for busy households everywhere. Number 5. Tide Pod Spring Meadow. Simplify your laundry routine with these innovative detergent pods. They offer a powerful clean in one convenient step. Experience the trusted cleaning power of Tide in a revolutionary pod form. It's designed for ultimate convenience and effectiveness. Infuse your clothes with the delightful aroma of Spring Meadow. Your laundry will smell wonderfully fresh and inviting. These pods combine detergent, stain remover, and brightener into one powerful solution. Just toss one in for brilliant results. This large 81-count package ensures you have plenty of washes on hand. It provides long-lasting value for your household needs. What we like. This variant offers a delightful Spring Meadow scent, bringing a fresh, floral aroma to your laundry. If you love a refreshing, nature-inspired fragrance for your clothes, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for everyday use, leaving your garments smelling clean and vibrant. What people say. Number 4. Tide Laundry Detergent. Experience a new level of clean with this advanced formula. It's designed to tackle even the toughest dirt and grime, leaving your clothes looking their best. Don't let stubborn stains ruin your favorite garments. This powerful detergent penetrates deep into fabric fibers, lifting away everyday messes with ease. Enjoy the invigorating scent that lasts long after the wash. It leaves your laundry smelling wonderfully clean and fresh, day after day. Beyond just cleaning, it also helps protect your clothes. This product works to maintain fabric quality, keeping them vibrant and soft. Simplify your laundry routine with its convenient application. Just add it to your wash, and let it do the hard work for you. What we like. This option provides the foundational cleaning power you expect from the brand. It's designed for straightforward, effective washing without extra frills. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss solution for your daily laundry needs, this classic choice delivers consistent results. What people say. Number 3. Tide Pods Laundry Detergent Packs. Simplify your laundry routine with these powerful packs. They deliver a deep clean with minimal effort. Experience the ultimate cleaning performance. They are designed to tackle multiple laundry challenges at once. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. They work hard to lift and remove dirt, leaving your clothes spotless. Enjoy fresh-smelling laundry every time. They effectively neutralize odors, ensuring your garments smell clean and revitalized. Keep your clothes looking vibrant longer. They help protect colors from fading, maintaining their original brilliance. These packs are compatible with all washing machines, including high-efficiency models. They also leave your clothes with a classic, refreshing original scent. What we like. This powerful pack combines detergent, stain remover, and color protector in one, tackling multiple laundry challenges. If you frequently deal with tough stains, lingering odors, and want to keep your colors vibrant, this all-in-one solution is ideal. It's a versatile choice for busy households needing comprehensive care. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. The source JSON was empty, so no reviews could be extracted. Number 2. Tide Hygienic Clean Heavy 10X Duty Pods. Introducing the ultimate solution for your toughest laundry challenges. These powerful pods are designed to deliver an exceptional clean, tackling even the most stubborn dirt. Experience a new level of clean with its 10X concentrated formula. It penetrates deep into fabrics, ensuring a thorough wash every time. Not only does it remove visible stains, but it also targets invisible dirt and grime. This ensures a truly hygienic clean for your clothes. Enjoy the convenience of pre-measured pods. Simply toss one into your wash for a hassle-free and effective cleaning experience. Your laundry will come out smelling fresh with its classic original scent. Each pack contains 48 pods, providing plenty of washes for your household. What we like. These heavy-duty pods are engineered for a deep, hygienic clean, removing both visible and invisible dirt. If you have active family members, engage in strenuous activities, or simply desire an exceptionally thorough clean, this is your go-to. It's perfect for tackling heavily soiled items and ensuring a truly fresh result. What people say. No positive review points could be extracted from the provided source. The source content for reviews was empty, so no points could be extracted. Number 1. Tide Pods with Downy April Fresh. Experience a new level of laundry care. These packs clean and condition your clothes simultaneously. They also help protect fabrics from stretching and fading during the wash. Enjoy the delightful scent of Downy April Fresh. Your laundry will come out with outstanding freshness that lasts. It's a fragrance you'll love. Each pack delivers 4 powerful benefits in one. It acts as a detergent, stain remover, and brightener. Plus, it includes Downy Fabric Protect technology for added care. Its special film is designed for superior performance. It dissolves completely and effectively in both hot and cold water. This ensures a thorough clean every time. Formulated with quick-collapsing smart suds, it actively targets and tackles tough stains. These packs work efficiently in both HE and standard washing machines. They deliver powerful cleaning no matter your machine type. Using them is incredibly simple. Just use 1 pack for small to medium loads, 2 for large loads, or 3 for extra large loads. It takes the guesswork out of laundry. What we like. This unique variant cleans and conditions in one step, helping protect clothes from stretching and fading. If you want to extend the life of your garments while enjoying the signature April Fresh scent, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who prioritize fabric care and a soft, fresh feel. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.